Hello, hello, hello. This is Tom for Tom and Ruth Philippine Adventures. Today, my wife wanted me to do this. We've had quite a few people ask, so she asked me to do this. She was telling me that if you have a flower, an orchid like this, that's still producing flowers and doing a really good job at it, don't really mess with it too much. That if you do too much to it, like right here, play with this looks dead, but don't worry about it, it's not dead. When this is done blooming, you take this and go cut this off down to the roots, and I'll show you what she does to that. She regrows it again and makes another plant. So it kind of gives you an idea. So I thought I'd show that to you, like especially like one like this has many on it and just rebloom, as you can see. And all these are good on this one, except there's one right there. See, it's not so good. So you don't bother it, you just leave it alone until it stops producing. And then once you cut it, you take it and you can just hang it upside down. Well, she has these upside down where it's, the roots are. But anyway, you can kind of see that they're starting to grow. This one has a little growth on it here. And these have only been up here 2-3 weeks. You just make sure they're watered and well kept. Here's one, look what it started doing. So never give up on your orchids, they will grow. So I wanted to show you guys this. I want to thank everybody for watching, and please subscribe.